The Autodesk Factory Design Suite enables factory layout designers to visualize large, complex layouts with thousands of components, such as complete manufacturing facilities, factory floor layouts, production lines, and industrial machinery, all in a single digital model by means of real-time fly-through and walkthrough. Customers can combine together CAD data from various design systems using the append command. Aggregation of 3D data from different CAD systems brings together design, manufacturing, and plant and supplier data into a single digital model. This allows all stakeholders to validate the design by visualizing it in 3D. Navisworks is a unique technology for interactive visualization of any 3D design, regardless of file type or size. This component of the Autodesk Factory Design Suite offers users smooth, real-time fly-through and walkthrough capabilities. To record a fly-through, simply activate the fly mode on the navigation bar and click the record button. It's that easy. Designers can now navigate and explore even the largest and most complex models on standard computers. The ability to navigate the entire digital model is extremely important for quality assurance and the design review process. The Autodesk Factory Design Suite's unique display ability allows models of any size to be loaded and combined with other models to create designs far beyond the capability of most CAD systems.